Hey everyone, check out the Simiron Epoxy Resin Kit, a 1-gallon, crystal clear self-leveling epoxy perfect for countertops and jewelry making. This easy-to-use kit features a 1:1 mixing ratio and delivers a high-gloss finish that resists yellowing and bubbles even when applied thick. It offers superior protection with zero Vox, odorless formula, and resistance to UV light, heat, water, and chemical damage. You can customize it by adding glitter, mica powder, alcohol ink, or resin dye to create stunning art projects. Made in Michigan, this fast-curing epoxy pours crystal clear and can be layered up to 1/8 inch thick per pour. Whether for woodworking or protecting furniture, it provides a durable, impact-resistant coating. Experience professional quality results with this versatile and reliable epoxy resin kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.